Well, China has released fresh trade data for the first half of 2021. Authorities say trade growth remains strong and robust. CGTN's Hui Huiyao takes a closer look at the numbers.
The overarching message from authorities today is that China's foreign trade is growing steadily. Now, this can be seen in how it has registered positive growth for 13 consecutive months. In the first half of 2021, the total volume hit 18 trillion RMB, up 27.1% year-on-year. Exports grew by more than 28%, while imports rose by nearly 26%. Now, trade with its top three trading partners, ASEAN, the EU, and the U.S., have all been growing. What is worth mentioning is that two-way trade between China and the U.S. grew at nearly 35% during these 6 months. China continues to export electromechanical products like computers and cell phones to the United States, while it imports agricultural goods from America. Now, this is significant because it shows both sides are implementing the Phase 1 trade deal and that despite their various challenges, trade ties between the world's two largest economies remain robust. On the European Union, we know the EU Parliament has halted a key bilateral investment deal with China, but trade links remain solid. Figures show two-way trade grew by 26% in the first 6 months, and currently the EU is China's second largest trading partner after the ASEAN. The spokesperson Li Kuei-wen from General Administration of Customs said there were two factors behind the overall sound foreign trade. One is the domestic economy, and the other is global economic recovery. Earlier, the IMF has projected global growth at 6% this year, and this has boosted demand for Chinese exports. However, despite this healthy and sound momentum, when asked about the second half of 2021, the spokesperson was less than certain.
There are some uncertainties, especially in terms of how the pandemic affects trade. Meanwhile, sound growth in the second half of 2020 means growth for this year may see a slowdown.
China plans to increase foreign trade to over $5 trillion by 2025, an average annual increase of 2%. Given the uncertainty of COVID-19 pandemic, China is looking to further develop cross-border e-commerce and service trade to reach this goal. Hui Huiyao, CGTN, Beijing.